BAR's Leak's High Mileage Compression Repair is a thick polymer-rich additive designed to help tired engines regain more even cylinder compression without a teardown. In engines that have started to lose power or show blue exhaust smoke, it can free sticky piston rings and fill minor cylinder wall scoring so combustion seals more effectively. Many users notice smoother idling and less vibration after adding it to the oil because the formula cushions worn parts and cuts internal friction. By tightening up compression and reducing blow-by, it can noticeably improve throttle response and help older vehicles run cleaner for emissions testing. The blend is compatible with conventional, high mileage, and synthetic engine oils in both gasoline and diesel engines, which makes it easy to use across a mixed garage. Unlike some old-style stopgap additives, it is formulated without lead or other harsh metals, so it is gentler on catalytic converters and other emission components.